Okay, so first I'm going to make a new folder. So new and then folder, and then I'm going to click on it. Once I'm on it, I'm going to right click, head over to show more options, and then click on new, and then click on text document. And then we're going to open it up. Then you want to copy and paste the code, which will be in the comments. I'll pin the comment, paste this code. Once we're on it, we're going to change your password right here, near to the bottom, to whatever password that we want. So for example, I'll just make it ST123 for Speedy Tutorials 123. Once you set your password, we're going to head over to File, and then click on Save As. Then we're going to save it in the same folder, and then we're going to change the save as type to all files, and then you can make any name you want. So for example, I'll just do lock, and then you want to do .bat. So just put any name you want and then .bat at the end, and then click on save. Once you do that, I'm going to close out on this, then I'm going to reopen the folder, and I'm going to delete the new text document. But you want to keep the batch file, but I'm going to delete the new text document. Once you delete it, I'm going to double click on the batch file, which then makes a new folder called private. We're going to head into the private folder, and then you could just add in all of your important files that you want to lock. You can also add like any type of file you want. You could just add anything. Once you do that, we're going to go back, and then we're going to click on the batch file again. And then it says, do you want to lock this folder? Either yes or no. We're going to type in Y for yes. And then the private folder is going to disappear. If you ever want to open up the folder again, just click on lock, and then just type in your password that you set earlier. So for me, ST123, click on enter, and then it will appear again. Then you can just open it up, and then here it is. And then if you want to lock it again, just click on the lock. And then it will say, are you sure you want to lock this folder? Just type in Y for yes, click on enter, and then it's locked again. And just repeat that method whenever you want to open it up again.